Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. I am so excited to be sitting down and doing a humongous PR and unboxing for you guys. Oh my gosh, it's been a while and I have so many packages that have been piling up, so definitely don't expect this one to be the last. I'm sure there'll be a couple more hauls for you guys, which I know a lot of you do really love and enjoy, and I also love them as well. As you guys know, the Sephora VIB sale is actually still going on. Today will be the very last day that you can get a percentage off your purchase, so 10, 15, or 20%, just depending on what level you are with Sephora. And it's always so exciting because a lot of these brands never ever go on sale. So I did try to include a bunch of the brands that I know are sold at Sephora in today's video. That's what I set aside for the unboxing. Anyways, before we do get started, I do want to give a huge shout out to Saturday Skin for sponsoring today's video. And I'm so excited to share some products with you guys. And before we get started, very last thing, make sure to thumbs up this video if you like seeing hauls and you want me to keep doing them here on my channel. All right, let's go ahead and dive on in.
Let's go!
So the very first package came from Saturday Skin, and on the front here it says make every day a Saturday, which I think is super cute, and a cute pink packaging. And it actually looks like they sent over a couple different products. The box is also super cute. It has like lips and ice cream and a little duck on it and some of their products as well. So very first product that they sent over is the Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. And I have been needing some vitamin C in my life in more ways than one. So here is what the package looks like. And it's really actually pretty interesting. Looks like it, ooh, I love when brands actually have this on here because it's like a little scooper so you can scoop out your mask. Ooh, and the mask is actually like an orange color, like an orange yellow. I'm gonna actually scoop out a little bit on here. Do you see it? I'll go ahead and rub it on the back of my skin. And it feels super, super moisturizing. Oh yeah. So let's see what it says about it. Here we go. It says Sweet Dreams cold pressed yuzu seed oil and an encapsulated vitamin complex help improve the appearance of stressed skin to look deeply hydrated and vibrant with targeted antioxidants. I can definitely see how this would be super hydrating. It also says you can apply this after your moisturizer and leave on overnight. So I will be setting this aside to actually use tonight because my skin is tired and stressed. Next thing we have is the Saturday Skin Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel. It says start over by gently rubbing dullness away. It says this actually helps remove impurities and rinse with warm water, maybe use once or twice a week. So I might actually give this a go as well. You guys, with the weather change, my skin has been so dry and flaky, and normally it's not ever flaky. But this year it's definitely been flaky, which is very concerning to me. So I'm very excited about these products. Then we have the Saturday Skin Pore Clarifying Toner. It says the toner helps to smooth and refine your skin's appearance with an effective dose of 10% glycolic acid. It is a pore control complex. And this is actually really nice packaging. It's a glass package, but it's like a thick glass package, if that makes sense. Like it doesn't feel like if you dropped it, it would instantly shatter. And it says you can use this 3 to 5 times a week. And I believe it is supposed to reduce your pores also. Yeah, the Pore Control Complex targets pore concerns with a blend of ingredients that help improve the look of balanced, clear skin. And then the very last product that they sent over is the Wide Awake Brightening Eye Cream. Ooh la la, I am loving all this pink packaging. So here's what that looks like. And it says Brighten Up Date Seed Extract illuminates and refreshes the area around the eyes. And I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of drop. This is actually a really good size for an eye cream. I mean, it's 1 fluid ounce. And oh yes, the cream feels like, you know how you have some eye creams that are like super thin and like it doesn't really feel like they're getting a lot on your eye, I guess, if that makes sense. This actually feels like it's a thicker one, which is what I like because to me it's a lot more hydrating. So very, very excited about that. Saturday Skin is also a clean brand too, which I love because I try to pay attention to what I'm putting here on my skin lately because it has been reacting kind of crazy. So very excited to try all these products out. And again, a huge thank you to Saturday Skin. I can already tell just how like moisturized this hand is compared to this one just from putting those products on. So thank you guys so much again for sponsoring today's video, and we will go ahead and hop into the rest of the packages. So very next package actually came from IT Cosmetics, and it's what I'm wearing on my lips today. This is the new Pillow Lips Soft Serum. It is a 5-in-1 lip serum and tinted gloss, and I think it looks pretty good. I went with the, let's see here, Wistful, which is actually the lightest shade, I think. And here's what it looks like on the hand. It is really neat. It's like a click up formula. So you just like click it and it pumps up. It says, why you'll love it. Experience 5 benefits in one swipe, including 4-hour hydration and care. Infused with lip-loving ingredients, collagen, hyaluronic acid, and triol complex. Easy click application for on the go and 8 universally flattering shades. Let's see if I go up a few shades, what that might look like. Ooh, this one is like a bright one. So that one is called Wink. Then we have Moment, which is actually pretty dark. We have Marvelous, which is like a hot pink. Then we have Like a Dream, another like darker shade. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this one for you guys. Like a Dream. But honestly, this is perfect because I have been looking for something that I could just wear every day to work that would be easy to use and put on, and it would be like super hydrating and last through the day. Oh, that one's a really dark one. This one is called Gaze. Oh, look at that color. Yes, IT Cosmetics. And very last one is called 1111, and it is a pink shade. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it as well. I'm super excited about these. And that one, again, is very pretty. I'm gonna put that on right now. Let's see if it spices up my lips. Okay. I don't think I was prepared to go that pink right now, but I'll go ahead and rub that in. So a huge thank you to IT Cosmetics, and definitely make sure to check these out. Very next package actually came from Natasha Denona. You guys may have seen this actually. I posted on my Instagram stories this past weekend. This is the Trio Chrome Eyeshadow Palette Limited Edition. And just a little update, I actually have been using the Glam palette a little bit more, and I really, really have been loving that. So this is the, I guess it's pronounced Trio Chrome palette. These colors look so pretty. Lots of like colorful colors, lots of matte. So the only ones that are shimmer are like right down the very middle. So let's actually swatch those first. Oh my goodness, look how crazy this color is. That is so beautiful. Ooh, this one's called Color Flip. These are like so duochrome-y. And then I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this purple. Very beautiful. I didn't know how they were gonna do on top of that moisturizer that I just put on, but the shimmer shades are going on super nice. Look at those even on my fingers still. They're just so pigmented. Wow. And then I'm gonna swatch like 1 or 2 more. Some of these look really cool. Like this this orangey shade down here looks really nice. And this almost like a, I don't know any other word to describe it, but like a pukey green shade. So here, those right there. And I swatched them right there in my hand. So beautiful palette. I'm so excited to play with those duochromes. And again, a huge thank you to Natasha Denona for sending that over. Very next package actually came from Glamglow. Let's see what they sent over. Ooh. So it says, it's simple. You like glowy skin and we like giving it to you. So they sent over their Glamglow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. And then the Glamglow Glow Starter New Glow Moisturizer. I have this and really love it. So I'm super excited to have a backup of that. So thank you so much to Glamglow for that package. Then we have a package from Too Faced. Ooh, so they sent over this Lip Injection Extreme Instant and Long-Term Lip Plumper. And then a Better Than Sex Mascara. And then we have, it looks like a palette. Oh wait, there's more. There's like a few more things in here. Ooh, the Too Faced Born This Way, the Natural Nudes palette, which I actually have this and love it, I think, if it's the one I'm thinking that it is. Yes, so that actually will be going in a giveaway for you guys. Lots of fun stuff in here. And then we have the Too Faced Hangover Primer. So a huge thank you to Too Faced for that package. Okay, next package actually came from ColourPop, which I know is not a brand that's sold in Sephora, but I did want to go ahead and pull these out. So this is actually a brush set from what I can see. And it looks like a big brush set. This is a huge brush set. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Look at all those nice brushes. So there, oh my gosh, did not mean to be like shooting the finger. There's that beautiful brush set. And we know how much I love ColourPop palettes. They are also some of my favorite as well. Let's see what this palette is. Ooh, Stone Cold Fox. I wonder if this is gonna be a cool tone eyeshadow palette. Y'all, the ColourPop eyebrow pencils have been selling out. Like, I have been signed up for a restock on them, and I have not ever gotten notified. It's been like over a month and some. So if you guys have a recommendation, this palette, like the feel of this feels so freaking fancy. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. Really good. Ooh, yes. So here is that palette. This is so pretty. I already know this is going to be amazing. I'm just going to swatch a few of the shimmer shades because those are always my favorite. Beautiful. Yeah, some of them, that one's really pretty. They feel like a little bit of a thicker texture. I don't know if that makes sense, but some of them have a little bit of a thicker texture to them. I'm excited to try that out. I mean, there's lots of really pretty cool tone shades. I wonder if cool tone is about to be like the new thing. Thank you so much to ColourPop for sending that over. Then we have a package from Benefit. Ooh, yes. Okay, so this is the Cover More Cakeless Bowing Cakeless Concealer by Benefit, I guess is how you pronounce it. Ooh, I am excited, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna do number 6 because I feel like that's gonna be the lightest. But I don't know if they meant to, okay, I was gonna say, I don't know if they meant to send that to me, these shades, because when you look on the package, number 6 looks kind of dark, but look how freaking cute this packaging is. So cute. I mean, it still is a pretty dark concealer for my skin tone, but not really once I actually have a tan, but today ain't that day. So there that is. I mean, it does look super full coverage. I feel like I would really like this. I'll keep you guys updated. Let's see if it says anything else on it. Cover More Cakeless, full coverage liquid concealer, hides it all from dark under eye circles to blemishes and discoloration. But it's lightweight, doesn't cake or crack, 24-hour long wear, and waterproof. So I'm very excited to try this out. Thank you so much to Benefit for sending that over. Okay, very last package for this haul is going to be from Glossybox. Look how pretty this is. So they actually sent this over the other week, and this is their advent calendar. I think they may have given me a discount code too, so I'll try to leave that down below. But it says, spoiler alert, all products are revealed inside. Don't want to ruin the surprise. Save this until the 25th. Okay, ooh. Lots of really good stuff. Okay, let's see how this opens up really quick. Ugh. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute, you guys, because like each day it has like a little package. Oh, and then you open it up and the packages are inside. I definitely want to save this because I think this is such a cute idea. But as far as the products go, we have the Makeup Revolution Face Quad, the Illamasqua eyeliner, a $28 value. We have the Cleansing Balm Gel, that is a $24 value. The eye gels are $7. Then we have a Victor and Roth perfume, a Tarte Cosmetics Micellar Makeup Remover, hair apology leave-in treatment for $21, a body scrubber. We have oh my gosh, literally everything, you guys. A hair cap, an eye cream, another mask, a mascara. We have a face cleanser, some face wipes, Kat Von D lipstick. Wow, this is such an awesome deal. I'll definitely leave all that information linked down below for you guys, but don't sleep on this because this is like a really, really awesome deal, and it's so beautiful. It makes such a good present. And yeah, that is going to be it for today's PR unboxing. A huge thank you to every single brand that was kind enough to send me something in the mail. I am so excited to try out all these goodies, and thank you guys to watching these videos and supporting them. I cannot wait to upload the next one. So I love you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.